Normally I am game অনেকে হয়তো ভাববে আমি খেলা I am game it means ready to join it means I agree How about you everybody Well I have come to class to make a quiz Are you interested to join the quiz Well my students now I'm going to ask you a simple question Would you like to answer Well there is a common expression in English What is the meaning of the expression I am game? It is used in English I am game. Well, maybe you are unable to answer. I am telling the answer. Are you interested to listen? Well, I am game এটার অর্থ আমি খেলা হয় না আসলে বাংলায় নরমালি I am game অনেকে হয়তো ভাববে আমি খেলা I am game It means ready to join. It means I agree. Willing to do something. Got the point, everybody? Yes, so, one example I would like to give you. If I say, we are organizing a picnic from Future School this year. Would you like to join? Yes, so the answer will be better if you say like this. Yes, I'm game. Please count me in. So, this is gonna be the best answer. It is an informal expression. Got my point? Yes, well, my students, another example I can give. Would you like to practice English with me? Yes, good. This answer could be yes, sure, I'm game. I'm always game to practice English with you. So, in this way, you can use this simple expression in your daily life. Thank you everybody for enjoying